that forest is our lifeline. So can you please tell me that how can you say the forest is our lifeline? Because you know very well that we don't use many of the forest, but even we say that we are not using the forest. Why?
Now let me tell you about one thing that because as you're saying Shumi, that the forest is our lifeline. So you might know about that by forest we can also get like oxygen in the plants. We just getting the oxygen and it's also giving a carbon dioxide to them, because you might know about that. You also see like in your home that there's like a door which is made of like a wood, so you can say that it's like a lifeline of our.
Is there anyone who can tell me about that? That whenever we enter in a pie sea, then we just put off our slippers. Why? Shivani.
Let me confirm you. If we enter in a bias area, then we can give the respect to the we can respect to the God. That's why we put off our slippers.
So can somebody tell me what is the help of time in our life?
According to my view, because you know time is very necessary for everybody, because that's something that you can compare it with the money, because as you know everybody, just suppose that if you have money and if you don't have time, on the time there is none use either. If you have time and if you don't have any money on the time, it will also not help you, because let me also one more thing that because to use don't and never spend your like the time and the money, because any time it can be helpless.
Prativati, I have a question for you. Our education system good or not? If it is not good, so how can we amend it?
As we know very well that everything has two aspects. The first one is good and the other one is bad. If we compare to what's to the American and other countries, developed countries, then we came to know about it is really worse. But if we compare to the other area, then we came to know that it is really good. It is totally depend upon our mentality, what we think about that.
Prior to doing any kind of job of interview, then why we show our knowledge is right in any session of jobs?
Yes, so let me confirm you. If you will not show your knowledge, then how can you there's not only the single percent of chance that you will get that job.
Can you Neha tell me what is the identity?
Of course, I tell you that about the identity proof is so important for us, because you know then we have to right to vote candidate. That's why it's so very important for us.
So I want to tell you, like if you have the like an identity card, so definitely like there was a my name and just identity card means like there is also like a my pin code, and just whenever just you have to make the identity card, so definitely like you can write your name and pin code, and that will be your identity card, like Saraswati school or which school from you are belonging. Someone can tell me that what is difference between Aadhaar card and PAN card?
So I just want to tell you that there is far difference between Aadhaar card and PAN card, and let me tell you that you know very well that Aadhaar card is like that. Whatever we use is in so many places, and now Modi have announced it that anyone can use the Aadhaar card. Just because that we use mostly the Aadhaar card, and PAN card is also useful because you know very well that PAN card there is a other use of the PAN card apart from Aadhaar card.
Now I have one question, that is why always the rich man give the more priority to the higher classes? Why he is not giving the more priority to the lower classes? It means he belongs to the lower classes. That's why he is not giving the more priority to the high classes.
Yes, so let me confirm with that. And this is only happening because only the discrimination. Because let me confirm with that. Now people are only giving right, rich is giving right to rich, and poor is even they're helping poor only. So therefore our economy is not growing much.
Yeah, but some of the civilization and how we can civilize it anywhere.
So I just want to tell you that as you know, well, civilization is very important for a person because it shows the manner of a person, that how the manners a person have. As I can tell you that if you will see a villager, then you will say that it's not civilized because he have not managed to eat, he have not managed to sit, and etc. But whenever you will go in a city, then you will say that he is a very civilized person because he have managed to sit, to eat, to do so many works.
Well, we always see like that. Handsome who does handsome. What is the meaning of this line?
Sorry, I was not able to you properly. So can you repeat it?
Yeah, of course, they are repeated again. I have told you before some time, handsome who does handsome. Is there anyone who can tell me about that? Yeah, Vivek, just tell me.
Yeah, because that's something, sir, you know very well, just so that if you're handsome and you can't able to like the do right word on a champ, it will never prove that you are the handsome, because that's something, sir, now you are the girl, therefore I can't take an example on you, because just take an example of the gorgeous, because if you just suppose that if you're gorgeous and you are not doing like the right way on a champ, it doesn't matter that if you are handsome, then on a champ you will just do that, because if you just suppose that there are lots of the people who is sitting here, even then if just suppose that who does right way, that's called handsome, not anyone else.
So I would tell like if you want to like give the knowledge, so definitely like if you have the more knowledge and just you want to like prefer to other people, so definitely like you can like speak in that manner, and just whenever just that children will prefer to another. So definitely like this is the only place
Why we grow a crop, just cause of our benefit or not, because as you know also that if you are growing a crop, so you know also that you can definitely get the food and many type of
Wouldn't.
Yes, so anybody please you tell me that how many type of pollution and in which type of pollution is more harmful for us? I think that air pollution is harmful for us, and please you tell me that according to you in which pollution is harmful for you.
So Shah, I would like to give you some knowledge about pollution. As you have asked me that question, that which pollution is very harmful according to me. There's a three pollution: air pollution, noise pollution. They triple are the detrimental for us. So according to me, that we should take a.
Shabadi, can you tell me why knowledge is more than important according to your study? Yeah, you're right, because that you know that if you don't have a knowledge, so definitely you can't share your knowledge, because that if you're talking about the study, so definitely if you have a knowledge about the study, then you share your knowledge, because you know that some people are seeker but they don't have a knowledge because they only focus for their studies. That's the reason some people say that the knowledge is very important for us.
Mostly, I keep on to say that time is very important. Would you like to tell me why it is very important? Yeah, definitely. I would like to give you answer of your question. That it is totally right that time is very important because we have to do everything according to time. If there is no if we will not do according to a time, then definitely it is not good for ourselves.
So I just want to tell you that there are so many persons who just used to do a study, but they just used to do ratification that we call mug-up. So let me tell you that is not a study, because you know if you are studying, then you should have knowledge. As you can take example like whenever you have not studied the chapter, but you have done the exam very carefully and you have done that very right. It means that you have knowledge and you have just written it in your words.
It is. Earlier he asked that how we can make ourselves civilized, and she answered that the civilized we can make ourselves civilized when we have to behave about dressing sense or the very other things. So I don't think so that we have when we improve or when we enhance our dressing sense or the way of talking, we will get the civilized. I think civilization is not a very small object. We can get civilized in a few days or in a few months. It will take so many time.
So basically I will tell you something why the people not like the cricket, not the hockey, because as you know what's the reason behind it, because I'm also confused for this question.
So I want to tell you, like, if you have a more knowledge and just you want to prefer to your studies, so definitely like in the Aleppo, just there was a terrorist attack on there, and just whenever just you are going there, so definitely if in your GK question like this, what is an Aleppo?
Anyone can tell me if Aadhaar card is important for us or not?
Yeah, but lady, confirm with that. Even if you only get the Aadhaar card, sorry, you confirm with that. That is only the essential for you, because lady, confirm with that. When you will apply Aadhaar card on the same chair, you will get only the 12-digit number, which will really solely help you.
Yep.
Anybody can you tell me that what is the meaning of gate of animals?
So let me tell you, it might be possible that as you know very well that who are the animals. You know very well that animals just live in the forest. It may be possible that is called the gate of animals.
Can you tell me what is the difference government job and private job? Because everybody likes the government job, because even you get the government job, so you can give the benefit, because then you get high level salary. But even then, can you tell me, Pratibha? Yeah, of course I'll tell you about that, because there is a great difference between the government job and the private job. Because you know about that, the government jobs are those jobs which are announced by the government, and the private job is that job which is announced by the private sector. That's why there is a great difference between both of them. But if I talk about the government sector, in the government sector, there are so many type of vacancies, there is so many flexibility. That's why just keep on to want to achieve the government job. But if we talk about the private job, then there are those jobs which are organized by the private company, and there is a less quality in comparison to the government job. So that's why we give the more preference to the private job in comparison to government jobs.
So I want to tell, as you